Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Amazon Echo routines. Routines will allow you to perform multiple actions using either a single command or at a scheduled time. But first, I want to say hi. My name is Craig and this is my Tech Talk channel. I love learning about stuff like this and sharing it with you. So if you have any comments or questions, please put them down below or tweet me at Craig Paulson. Also, please check out the description. There'll be links to the Echo for more information and anything else I might have missed. Now let's get started. Okay, routines. What they do is they perform a single action or a series of actions using a preset command that you create or at a scheduled point in time. Currently, routines allow you to have Alexa, she has options to choose from of things to say, or give you a weather report, a news flash, a traffic report, or control smart home devices. Unfortunately, at this time, there's no music control. You can't have her start a playlist or trigger any kind of music at this point. I'm going to set it up. Now let's actually open up the Alexa app. Okay, if you open the Alexa app, go in the upper left-hand corner to your menu and select Routines. We're going to start off with a new one. Hit the plus sign right there. And we'll start off with when this happens. When you hit plus there, you have the option to say something to trigger the routine or at a scheduled time. We're going to choose to say something. And let's just call this wake up. We'll save that. Now let's add an action to it. When we wake up, we can have our device say something. Just so you know, I'm not using the A word because I don't want to trigger your device at home if that's what you use, so I'm tiptoeing around that. So here are the phrases. You can't make your own phrase. You could only pick from one that's there. Let's pick good morning and have our device say good morning sunshine. We'll add that. That's been added. Now let's add another action to it. Let's do a smart home. I have Philip Hue bulbs, so I'm going to control a scene. The scene I want is morning in living room. I'm going to hit add. That's in there. Next, I want to turn on my lamp in here because I come in and check my emails. Let's pick my lamp, control a device instead of a scene because I want just my office lamp to come up. It's at 50. I'm going to add that. Leave that. That turns on. Let's say I want a weather report on top of that. And let's add a news report. I don't have a regular job that I go to, so I'm not going to add traffic. Okay, so that's everything that we want in there. We are going to turn on the lamp in here. We're going to turn the lights on downstairs to our morning setting. We're going to have our device say something to us. We're going to get a weather report and a news report. Last thing you want to do is last thing you want to check, you have from. You have the option to select device. Here you can have it so that if it does give you a report, it comes from the device you speak into, or you can pick a particular Echo to have it give you a response at. We're going to just leave it at the device that we speak into. Last step is create. Success. It will take up to 1 minute for voice routines to be ready to use. So that's in there. Let's go ahead and try it. Computer, wake up.
Good morning, sunshine. Currently, in Agora Hills, it's 71 degrees with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect mostly sunny weather with a high of 75 degrees and a low of 60 degrees.
Okay.
From Reuters TV.
The RNC.
Computer, stop. Okay, and looking around, my lamp came up over there. Downstairs, the living room lights came on. It gave me a news flash, a weather report, and triggered my devices. So that's what routines do. You could have all of that. Let's turn back on. Turn it back on. You could have all of those things when you create the routine. You could have all that happen at a set time. Routines right now, I think they have potential if you get creative on what you want to do with smart devices. I thought it'd be cool to get a smart plug and trigger my coffee maker, get that started. And I think that's interesting. I would like to see music implemented, and I would like to see being able to have Alexa say things that you choose. But I think it's a step in the right direction. Some of the stuff I don't necessarily want the news report, but that may work for you. So check it out, play around with it. Let me know. This has been my fourth video in my 52-week challenge to make a video on an Echo. Check out some of the other videos if you haven't. If you like this one, please subscribe and check out some of the future videos. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comments or questions, please put them down below or tweet me at Craig Paulson. And check out the description. Click on the Echo and learn more about it if you don't have one already. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.